Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how you can change the handle name of your YouTube channel from mobile. So what is handles on YouTube? Handles is just like the uh, username that we have on Instagram and Twitter. If you have a handle name, then people will then it will get easier for people to actually search for your YouTube channel. Okay, so from mobile, how you can do this? First, make sure that your YouTube app is opened up, and then you have to click on your profile icon onto the top right side, like here, like this one here, and then you have to click on your channel here, and then you have to click on this plus icon here, and now on the second number under your name you can see this option here where it says handle. So if you click on this this pencil icon over here, you can actually change this one again, and then and you also should know this here that you can change your handle back within 14 days. Okay, so how we can actually search for this one? So first we have to remember our name, which is Noman Reactions 5754, and if we just open the Google here and we type here like youtube.com and then slash and then at the rate, you have to type this symbol here at the rate, and then you will enter the name, handle name. So will Noman Reactions and then 5754, and then you will press OK, and now you will see that my YouTube channel will actually load up here. So as you can see that, let me just convert this to a mobile application. Okay, so as you can see that my account has been loaded up here. Okay, so that's how you can actually change your handle name from mobile. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.